Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert a document or object directly into the body of your email in Outlook. This is particularly useful when you want recipients to view content immediately without having to download attachments separately. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and give it a moment to load all your emails. This ensures you're working with the most up-to-date version of your inbox and that all features are properly accessible. Once your email has been loaded, it's time to access your email composition tools. Look toward the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This will open up a fresh email composition window where you'll be able to craft your message and make the necessary adjustments to insert your document or object. Now, here's where things get interesting. From the email composition screen, you might notice that by default, when you try to add a document or object, Outlook treats it as an attachment rather than embedding it directly into the email body. To change this behavior, we need to adjust the email format. Click on the Format text tab located on the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are displayed. Within the Format section, you'll need to change the email format from HTML to rich text. This is the crucial step that enables objects and attachments to be inserted directly into your email body instead of being added as separate attachments. The rich text format provides this specific capability that HTML format doesn't offer in Outlook. With the format now changed, you're ready to add your document or object. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen, then click on Attach File. You can use and attach any file here as long as it stays within the allowed size limit for your email. Browse through your files, click on the one you want to select and attach it. You'll immediately notice the difference this time. Instead of appearing as an attachment at the top or bottom of your email, the file goes straight into the email body itself. This transformation happened because we changed the format from HTML to rich text in the previous step. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a document or object directly into the body of your Outlook email. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.